Look at the color though, man. I love the color when it's a little cloudy outside. I feel like it just, I don't know, it just looks a little sexier today. Oh, this angle right here. Hang on, I'm gonna bust. I'm literally gonna bust right now. Anyways, the POV camera I use right now, it's a nice little DJI Action 5. I like it better than a GoPro for sure. But these guys just released a tiny little camera that's apparently way lighter, same quality. So we're gonna go cop a brand new POV camera, man. I'm hoping maybe I can like set this one up over here, maybe get some exterior shots. I don't know, we can use this, and we're gonna have 2 camera angles for the POVs soon, so that sounds awesome. Oh my goodness, heck yes, dude. I was wondering what that noise was. I'm so glad. Oh yeah. Crazy how comfortable and like well engineered the car is, even in the M2, like stiffest setting, whatever. I mean, 2 fingers, dude. I can whip this thing with 2 fingers, you know? It's kind of nuts. Comfy ass car. Why is there traffic, man? It's Sunday. This guy does not care about nothing. Respect. Respect. tequila something. The 335s of those are crazy, dude. Obviously the M3 too. That's probably a chill car, the 328. Looks chill. Looks real chill. Do it? Alright, I respect. This is the weirdest looking Audi I've ever seen. No bracket, no nothing. It's kind of awesome. Honda Accord just smoked me. Oh, I'm not even gonna make this light. That is so cooked, bro. Best Buy action. Damn, this thing is super ugly. What is BMW thinking, man? The Mecca. Ooh, little M buddy back there. Let me go park next to him. Yo, this has got to be the slowest. All right, there you go. Nice. Nice. Big body M5. I like that. I like that. I'll give him a space because I'm not an asshole, you know? Nice, nice. Look at these two cutie pies. Bro, it says coming soon. These guys don't even have it yet, man. I gotta get it on Amazon. Ridiculous, man. Best Buy fell off. Jeff Bezos killed my goat, Best Buy. That is so sad. I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know if you can tell, we are in Las Vegas for F1 just for literally one night. And the camera did come just in time. Oh, dude, this is ridiculous. Little box of accessories. We got a suction cup, which is sick. Nice little protective case for the camera. This is really cool. I've actually never seen this on any camera before. This is a magnet necklace. The back of this camera is a magnet, so you're supposed to wear this, put it under your shirt, and you just got like, you got the perfect POV that just kind of chills. I like that. And we get a USB-C to see, of course. But this, dude, look how small this camera is. The fact that there's a magnet on here and I can place it literally wherever on walls and just record is dope. But the coolest part, obviously for this channel, this is the POV camera that I normally use, also DJI. I hang it upside down on a hat and it kind of obstructs the shit. I mean, it's a little dangerous, I'm not gonna lie, but the quality's pretty dang good. This is 99% of the quality. Pretty sure it's the same size or really similar sensors. The dynamic range, the white balance, everything should just look super clear, but look how light. I could damn near put this on a beanie, brother. And then we can use this camera for like the secondary in-car, out-car shots. We just changed the POV game up. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. I will let you guys know in the next one what this is looking like. So we'll do a little test. Peace, love you, stay safe out there, stay safe in the streets, man.